Good morning to all. My name is Rahul Vittal of grade 10 with age 14 from DAV school in Chennai. I am a great aspirant of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir. He has touched so many minds and ignited so many young minds, including me, to believe in the power of thinking, knowledge, and on top of it, self-belief. Today, I am here to say a speech on the topic of as an Indian citizen, what can we do to make Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir's Beyond Vision 2020 a reality? Introduction of Beyond Vision 2020. The Beyond Vision 2020 was not only a book but also the imaginations and expectations of the late former President of India. The Beyond Vision 2020 represents in depth the weakness and strengths of India. With the help of this book, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir wants to say that India will be among the top 4 highest economical countries in the world. Book about Beyond Vision 2020. Beyond Vision 2020 is a book written by the late former President of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir and Y.S. Rajan sir. The book was written by the duo in the year 2014. After Kalam sir's tenure as the President of India, it talks about the Kalam sir's ideas for future development of India. In his book Beyond Vision 2020, Kalam sir strongly advocates an action plan to develop India into a strong nation by comparing statistical data and explains how India can improve it. Kalam sir explains the importance of science and technology for the development of India. In the book, Kalam sir also said that it should be the dream of all the citizens of India to see India as a developed nation. Abdul Kalam's three vision for India. Abdul Kalam sir had three vision for India. In 3000 years of our history, people from all over the world have come and invaded us, captured our lands, conquered our minds. From Alexander onwards, the Greek, the Portuguese, the British, the French, all of them came and looted us, took over what was ours. Yet we have not done this to any other nation. We have not conquered anywhere. We have not grabbed their land, their culture, their history, and we have not tried to enforce our way of life on them. Why? Because we respect the freedom of others. That is why his first vision is that of freedom. He believed that India got its first vision of freedom in 1987 when we started the War of Independence. It is the freedom that we must protect and nurture and build on. If we are not free, no one will respect us. His second vision for India was development. For 50 years, we have been a developing nation. It is time we see ourselves as a developed nation. We are among the top 10 nations in the world as per the GDP. We have 10% growth in most of the areas. Our poverty levels are falling. Our achievements are being globally recognized today. Yet, we lack the self-confidence to see ourselves as a developed nation. He had a third vision that India must stand up to the world because he believes that unless India stands up to the world, no one will respect us. Only strength respects strength. We must be strong not only as a military power but also as an economic power. Both must go hand in hand. Visions for India beyond 2020. 1. A nation where rural-urban divide line has been reduced to a thin line. All parts of the nation has become developed. 2. A nation which is the best destination for the talented scholars, scientists and investors from all over the world. 3. A nation which is the best place available to all the citizens of the world. 4. A nation where the governance is responsible, transparent and corruption free. 5. A nation where poverty has been totally eradicated, illiteracy removed, and all crime against women and children is absent, and no one in the society feels alienated. What can we do to improve Beyond Vision 2020 in areas like 1. Agriculture and food processing? What can be done? Justified application of the 12th five-year plan, smart execution, and strategy of this smart government can be ensured to make the targets achieved. 2. Infrastructure and reliable quality of electric power. What can be done? While the private funding remains strong, most of the research projects should be funded by the government, and that should be conducted they should be conducted regularly. 3. Education and healthcare. What can be done? General health awareness needs to be monitored regularly by motivated Anganwadi and Samvida workers who are not just only educated on papers but also educated in terms of their mindsets. Conclusion. Just as any other citizen today, I too feel crippled to be living in a nation without Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Sir's existence. He envisioned us to see India as a developed country by 2020. At least we can do something to make his vision reality beyond 2020 for him, for us, and for the future generations to come. Thank you. Good morning to all. My name is Rahul Vittal of grade 10 with age 14 from DAV school in Chennai. I am a great aspirant of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir. He has touched so many minds and ignited so many young minds, including me, to believe in the power of thinking, knowledge, and on top of it, self-belief. Today, I am here to say a speech on the topic of, as an Indian citizen, what can we do to make Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Sir's Beyond Vision 2020 a reality. Introduction of Beyond Vision 2020. The Beyond Vision 2020 was not only a book, but also the imaginations and expectations of the late former President of India. The Beyond Vision 2020 represents in depth the